Guys, we're in the shop today and we got something special for you. Check out what's cooking at M2C. Bam! What are these mud flaps for, you say? They sure are sexy. Let's go find out what they're for and put them on. We're here in the lab today with a hot new product for you. We're gonna do a quick install for what? The Losi 5T 3.0 mud flaps. These may fit other models, but we're gonna install it on the 5T 3.0. Not sure if the earlier models had the same arms, but we'll find out. I reckon we'll find out. So let's get to it. All right, so first thing, I've already got my truck partially disassembled because we're working on components. Got a lot of new hot products coming out for you guys. I've already got my truck partially disassembled because we're working on a lot of products that we're going to be coming out with for this truck. So let's get to it, guys. Super easy installation. I've already got my bulkhead loose. So as you can see, I've already done this installation and made sure it was right. So the first step is going to be to back out your sway bar bolt a little bit. All right. Now, then you're going to put your mud flap around that bolt and you're going to line it up with the bottom of your arm. You see how I got it lined up straight? Nice and straight with the bottom of the arm. Then I'm going to load the included 2mm drill, right? We're gonna line it up and I'm gonna drill a hole through there, and then I'm gonna install my first screw. What do I do with my screwdriver? Then we're gonna install the first screw. Right? Now we're gonna drill our second hole. Okay, and then we're gonna install our second screw. All right, now we're gonna retighten our sway bar bolt. Bam! Installation for this side is done. Yes, I do know that is marked wrong. We'll fix those on the production models. You repeat that installation for this side and then reassemble your truck. Bam! How sexy is that? Come on down to M2CRacing.net and get yours now.